Hi everyone, so we just recently hit the 50k subscribers milestone and it's all thanks to you guys. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you for all the nice comments. Thank you for always sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys. Now I promised to do a giveaway and a Q&A video, so here is the video. Now in this video, I'll be answering all the questions you guys have asked me, and make sure you continue watching the video for the giveaway. Also, I have an important announcement to make in this video. The announcement will be somewhere in the middle of this video. So make sure you watch the video to the end. For the questions, I've decided to group them into 4. The first one will be the personal finance questions, then crypto questions, then YouTube questions, and lastly, some personal questions. Also, in case I don't answer your question, then maybe your question is similar to one of the questions I'll be answering in this video. Now let's get into the video. Starting with the personal finance questions. Number 1 is, in your opinion, what should be the ratio of saving, investing, and expenses when handling income? Well, for me, I use the 50-30-20 rule, and it is the simplest way to handle your income. In this case, 50% of my income goes to my expenses, both fixed and variable expenses, and 30% goes into my investment, and I save about 20% every month. The 50% for my expenses is not every month because most times I don't even spend up to 40% of my income on expenses. The 50% is just to have it as the maximum amount I can spend in a month, because sometimes, there can be unexpected expenses and emergencies. So that's why I have it as 50%. So the 50-30-20 rule is a good one to use. The next question is, how would you advise people to move from monthly income that is salary to building passive income that can fund their living in 3 to 5 years? Now for this, you can start by saving and investing a part of your salary every month, because that is the first major step. And since you're asking about passive income, you can invest in stocks that can be paying you dividend, or you invest in high interest savings account, or you can also invest in fractional real estate. We have different platforms that can allow you to invest in fractional real estate with as low as $10, and then you get returns on your money. Also, you can even start a digital or online business with money from your salary. And doing this for about 1 to 2 years will definitely yield an excellent result. Just trust me. Number 3 is, how can I make money as a student in the university? Now, there are so many ways you can start making money as a university student. I can start naming them. There are so many ways. You can start blogging, you can start a YouTube channel, you can start dropshipping, and if you're a good writer, you can start copywriting or even content writing for brands. And you can even start crypto trading or forex trading, or you can become a social media manager for a brand, and so on. There are just so many ways you can start making money as a student in university, and the best way to start making money is making money while you're still in school. The next question is, what investment can I do that I will not lose my money? Well, one thing I want you to know is that there is no investment without risk. That's why we have low risk investment, medium risk investment, and high risk investment. So whatever kind of investment you want to do will depend on your risk appetite. So have that in mind. The next question is, how did you develop the habit of saving money? Well, I've had the habit of saving money since I was very little. I started with saving money to buy myself toy cars when I was in primary school and up till secondary school and university. Now, the fact that I started saving money at a very young age made it easy for me to save money without stress. And one thing I believe in is that if you can't save money when you're earning little, you won't be able to save when you start earning more. Now, what I mean is that, let's say you're currently earning 50,000 naira every month and you think it's too small to save a part of it, take it or leave it. When you start earning 1 million naira per month, you won't be able to save anything. And this is because you didn't make it an habit to start saving money when you're earning little amount of money. That's why it will be so hard for you to start saving when you start earning huge amount of money. And that is true, whether you believe it or not. So my advice to you is that start now and start saving little. You don't have to wait when you start earning huge amounts of money before you save. So that's all on the personal finance questions. Let's go to the crypto questions. Now, most of the questions I got are about crypto and crypto trading. I even got over 30 questions on crypto alone, but I'll try to answer as many as I can. The first one is, how long does it take to start making profit in crypto trading? Actually, there is no specific time for you to start making profit from crypto trading. It all depends on the time you give to it and your dedication. Now, take for example, 2 people can start learning crypto trading today, and one person will start making back-to-back profit after just 3 months, while the other person might take 6 to 12 months to start making back-to-back profit. I've seen this happen to so many people. So again, it all depends on the time and dedication you give to it. The next question is, how does Simple N work on Binance? Now, if you go to the Binance homepage, you're going to see where you have N, and if you click on it, you're going to see where you have Simple N. Now, how the Simple N works is that you invest your money in a crypto and you get an APR. Now, APR means annual percentage rate. Now, this is the percentage you're going to be getting after 1 year. Now, we have flexible Simple N and we have locked Simple N. Now, for flexible Simple N, you can withdraw your money anytime you want. While for the locked Simple N, you can only withdraw your money after a number of days that you have selected. So that is how it works. I hope you understand. Now, the next question is, what is risk management in crypto trading? Now, risk management is a whole topic on its own. It is the way you avoid or react to potential losses from your trades. Now, I won't want to go deep into it because of time, but I'll give you guys some tips to properly apply risk management in your trades. The first one is have a proper trading plan. The second one is focus on the risk and not the reward. That is, focus on the money you are risking, not the money you want to make. And another one is beware of how you use leverage for your futures trades, because leverage can make you a lot of money and at the same time, it can make you lose all your money fast. So we have a whole lot of risk management tips that you can apply in your trades. Maybe I'll try and make another video on this. The next question is, what's your advice for someone who wants to go into crypto trading? Well, I'll say you should watch my video on how to start crypto trading and become profitable in 6 steps. Now, in that video, I explained all the steps I took from being a beginner in crypto trading to becoming a profitable crypto trader. Now, I'm going to put the link to that video in the description below so you can check it out. The next question is, can you teach us technical indicators? Now, I've made about 5 or 6 videos on different indicators on my channel and how to use them to trade. So I'm going to assume maybe you've not seen those videos. Now, I have them in one playlist and I'll be putting the link to that playlist also in the description below so you can check it out. The next question is, what is the best crypto trading app for a beginner? Now, there are various crypto trading apps out there and I've used over 10 crypto apps from 2018 to 2023. And to be honest, the top 3 crypto apps I can recommend to anyone are Binance, Bybit, and Kucoin. And if you need tutorials about any of these 3 apps, I have them on my channel. I also put the links to this playlist in the description below. The next question is, what is the best crypto trading strategy? Now, there are so many crypto trading strategies you can use to make profit out there. Some people prefer to use indicators alone. Some people prefer to use price action or candlestick patterns. Some people just prefer to use everything and anything they see. Even under price action, we still have so many price action strategies. So there are so many and they are all good. Now, what I always advise people is that whatever strategy you find, make sure you try it out multiple times. And if it works for you, continue using it. And if it doesn't work for you, then drop it. So the best crypto trading strategy is what works for you. The next question is, you're a great teacher. I want to know if you pray before starting a trade. When I saw this question, I was a little bit surprised because I wasn't expecting this kind of question at all. But the answer is yes, I do pray before starting a trade. And it is not a long prayer. The only thing I just say is, God, please let today be a profitable day. And I think that's a prayer too, even though it's short. The next question is, would you advise a beginner to start with crypto trading before personal trading? Well, there's nothing bad in doing copy trading before you start trading yourself. Just make sure that you're copying a very good trader because that's very, very important. The next question is, which is better to trade as a beginner, Forex or futures? Now, I believe that Forex trading is good and futures trading is also good. But I'm not a professional Forex trader, so I can't really say Forex is better than futures, but I believe they are both good. The next question is, I'm trying to turn $10 into $100 within a week in futures trading on Binance. Is this possible? The answer to this is actually in 2 parts. The first one is, if you're a professional trader and you've been trading for years, then yes, it is possible. And that's because as a professional trader, you already have a strategy that works. And the second answer is that if you're a beginner, no, it is not possible. If you just started trading maybe last week or last month, no, it is not possible. And if you don't have a strategy that works, then no, it is not possible. So I hope that answers the question. So that's all for the crypto questions. Now let's get into some YouTube questions. The first one is, how can I get many subscribers like you? Well, I got so many subscribers on YouTube because people like you watching this video decided to subscribe to my channel. And again, I really appreciate you all for that. Aside from that, I got so many subscribers because I decided to offer value and give solution on YouTube. So ensure you are giving value to people and they will surely subscribe to your channel. The next question is, how long did it take you to get monetized on YouTube? Well, it took me just 11 months. The next one is, are you planning to bring something new to the YouTube channel? Yes, I'm going to be adding something new to my YouTube channel very soon. And here's the announcement I want to make in this video. I'll be adding a new series to my YouTube channel, and the series will be titled Finance for 20s. Now, in this series, I'll be making videos about personal finance, finance tips, and lessons to help you make money, invest money, and manage your money the right way in your 20s. Now, this new series will start from October 2023. I'll be uploaded every Saturday. So just come to my YouTube channel every Saturday and you will find a new video from the Finance for 20s series. So let me know in the comment section below if you're excited about this, and let me know the kind of videos you want to see in the Finance for 20s series. Now to some personal questions. I think I just have about 2 questions here. The first one is, how much do you make every month online? Well, I actually have multiple sources of income, and all my sources of income are on the internet. So I don't have an exact amount of money that I make every month. And this is because sometimes my income is low, sometimes it is average, and sometimes it is high, and even sometimes it can be very high. The next one is, what motivates you to work hard? Well, I guess I just don't want to be broke, and I think that's enough to motivate me or you to work hard. So that's all for the questions. If you have more questions that I didn't answer in this video, you can ask in the comment section below and I will reply to everyone. Now to the giveaway. To celebrate reaching 50,000 subscribers on YouTube, I'm going to be giving out 200,000 Naira or $200. And I posted on my Telegram channel that you guys should help me decide how I should share the money. And majority of the people picked 20K or $20 for 10 people. So here are the rules to join the giveaway. The first thing you need to do is to tap the first link in the description of this video or the link in the pinned comment of this video, and it will take you to my website where you're going to be seeing the rules for the giveaway, and there are just 3 rules. The first rule is, drop a comment below telling me your favorite video on my channel. So the video you love the most on my channel, let me know in the comment section below. And the second rule is that make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. And the third rule is, make sure you are following me on Instagram and Twitter at Femi Olaniyan John. I have the same username on Instagram and Twitter. And once you follow these 3 rules, you go back to my website to fill a form to confirm that you have followed all the rules. And that is all. For the duration, the giveaway will start on October 1 and end on October 14. And the winners will be announced on the channel on October 15, 2023. I'll also make a video of me selecting the winners so it can be fair. Also, I'll be using the random picker to select the winners. So don't think I'll be selecting the winners manually. I'll be using a random picker website to select the winners. So make sure you follow the 3 rules and make sure you fill the form after following those 3 rules. So that's it for the giveaway. And also, I'll be giving 50% discount on my crypto trading course from October 1 to October 14. So you can get the course for just $13 instead of $25. Also, the link to get the course will be in the description below. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video, and I wish you good luck in the giveaway. Bye.